Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, sign into the Google account tied to your Fi service, and confirm the payment method so activation can bill any plan charges. If you have a physical SIM, unbox it. If you chose eSIM, keep the phone online. You should also confirm phone compatibility and note the IMEI because Fi uses that to provision service. Once done, open the Google Fi app or activation screen and choose Activate so the system can detect your device and SIM choice. You next install the SIM or accept the eSIM profile. Power the phone off before inserting a physical SIM to avoid errors, then power on. During activation, pick the correct device, and whether you're using eSIM or the card, Fi will push provisioning to your IMEI. Make sure you accept any carrier or system updates the phone prompts for because those settings configure networks and APN. Once the phone applies updates and reboots, the carrier provisioning can complete and register your device. You finish by confirming the service shows active in the Fi app, then immediately test a call, text, and mobile data to verify provisioning worked. Set voicemail and enable Wi-Fi calling if needed, because those features finalize network behavior. If the phone doesn't connect, try the single most effective fix first. Toggle airplane mode on and off, then reboot. If that fails, confirm the IMEI matches your account and reinstall the eSIM or reinsert the SIM. Contact Fi support only after those steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.